You're the one who said you're going to be late, but Jim's later.
I know.
How's that work?
He's almost here.
Ah, Helix.
I can film that actually.
Yeah.
Yes, that's an accident. Get the watch in at least.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look at
Ladies.
Hello.
that's him.
No.
This guy.
Ready.
He's called Bira.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
That's your new talkback mic.
Go and chat back, bro.
It glows when you press the button. It will do.
Hello.
You have to plug it in, Rob. Another couple of ambients for either side of the desk for the video stream.
The mics to hear us on the mic on the live recordings or the live.
To what's here, the chat.
The chat.
And they will turn off when we record.
We can turn off whenever we want. Yeah.
Dirk, do you want these to be put somewhere? Down here? Down there?
Yeah. Agenda number 1 is clearing up the rubbish.
You have to be.
You've missed some crap down here, by the way. And then you can shut the box.
I'm gonna.
Hello.
There's someone called Jim.
High five.
Got a high five the coolest one.
When you eat
Who do you like the most?
food.
Do you like Rob or Dirk or Jim?
Watch this, ready?
Oh.
Do it again.
That's magic.
That is actually magic, isn't it?
No.
Hello, mate.
Oh yeah.
Nice, don't they? Yeah, I've got it here, mate.
There you go. You did the opening of that.
I don't know what it is.
Okay. Well, today we're opening the Mixcube.
So, no, you meant to go. Today, opening
a
the
Mixcube.
Active Mixcubes 3000. Yeah.
Yes, and it's out.
Did it.
Look at that. My lord. Look at that power supply.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that. Avantone.
Beast.
Too much to do. Oh, I love it. Now, some people have 2 of these, but its whole point is to check that it sounds good in mono.
That's kind of.
What that is?
Like
No, that's the XLR connection. That's
Yeah,
the power.
so that that's where's that?
That comes from the desk.
Okay, so have we got one set up so I can plug it in or not?
Not yet. Is that one of these? That's the big one. Oh,
Yeah.
look at that. That was good to have bought that one. Eh?
What's best to have it any way you want, really, or is it
The active part of the microphone's here.
like that?
Yeah.
Tom, look at this.
XLR in here.
Don't tell me that's the connection. Do not tell me that's the connection. Oh my God!
Where was that? Yeah.
A gold one instead of a shitty black one from Amazon.
But it was just in the box it came in.
We'll go for gold one, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gold.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
Gone with the gold one.
Gone with the gold one, yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Well done for getting the spare, though.
Buy another one, do it.
Well, you know, never know.
Waste of money.
I think that's a good height.
Yeah. Canon style.
That's not my calling noise, sorry. What?
Dirk, can you come here, please?
The call sign, Dirk.
Dirk, I just need you to cast your eyes, please.
Okay, 2 secs.
1, 2.
Yeah, that's 2 sets, yeah.
Yep. Good one.
Like this.
So I've done this. Is this roughly how you think it should go?
Yeah.
We have to fucking dismantle cardboard boxes.
It does look pretty tricky to be fair.
Day's work in your life?
Yeah.
Over there.
Well, that was easy. Wing updated.
Is this going in? I mean, yeah, but put the corners in. Watch.
I guess it just like blocks out some of the light, which is probably a good thing. 'Cause it's
Oh, yeah, cool.
You want 8, yes?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It's only got sound.
Yep.
Nice and clear.
Okay, that's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is so cool. The black, Blair's got the black one. It seats the whole thing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Right, I'll try and talk to you now. Twist the handle around it, it'll tighten up.
And how do you tighten this thing up? Is that?
Rob,
That's like a
Rob, put Dirk's thing there for now, because we're not going to put it there yet.
Where's mine?
Excuse me.
Excuse me, you seem to
Yeah,
take
mate.
my
You seem to
space.
be in the wrong
You're
seat.
just f***ing about for so long.
Yeah, I'm doing it
Yeah,
myself.
we've sent the big boys in now.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. If you'd like to...
Grown-ups are in.
And then press the top button again. That's it, yeah.
Dirk, if you want
Can you hear me?
Oh, yes, I can.